Hello guys, today I'm gonna tell you what you should do before the first use in the Bosch oven HVA. So in the first step, remove everything from inside your oven like a manual and the other accessories. You can leave left everything what is some metal. Then use the wet mop and clean everything inside. Then close the doors. Now you have to set the heating program. And you have to select the 3D. So this one. Set the temperature for on the maximum, so 250 degrees. Then set the time for 1 hour. After the 1 hour, you can clean again with the mop everything inside, and you can use your oven normally. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a like or comment, and goodbye.